How to make money prompting using ChatGPT. Discover the secret to earning money. Turn simple prompts into profits with ChatGPT. In today's fast-paced digital world, ChatGPT offers endless opportunities to make money by simply mastering the art of prompting. Whether you are looking to create compelling content, automate tasks, or enhance business workflows, well-crafted prompts are the key to unlocking the full potential of this EA tool. By learning how to effectively communicate with ChatGPT, you can offer valuable services like generating marketing copy, answering customer queries, or even writing code. So first of all, the first steps you have to do is open your browser and dive into chatgpt.com. So here you have give me some prompts that I copy and paste on Runway ML to generate a batch of some images. Give some good prompts for images if I'm going to be using the images as t-shirt designs. So don't worry, we are not going to be designing any t-shirts. I will show you. So of course ChatGPT is going to provide us with this prompt that we can use as soon as it gives like this information to us. So here is some creative prompts for generating t-shirts designs. So all you have to do is just to copy one of this and then paste it on Runway. So this is Runway, this is the home page, but I will explain you Runway so later. Firstly, let me introduce you to another one which is called Leonardo.ea. So this is the homepage of Leonardo. So Leonardo is a free tool, anybody can use it. You can just create yourself an account like this and you can start creating these images from the prompt. So all you have to do is click over get started and you write your email and your password, then you get started with your leonardo.ea. And if we scroll down, we have other information about Leonardo. You have to learn and know it before starting with it. So we have here, for example, for creators, for teams, for developers, and if you scroll down, we have here other information. So all I have to do is just scrolling down and know more information about leonardo.ea. So if we can get started and write the email and password, this is the homepage of leonardo.ea. As you can see, all you have to do right now is just click over image creation and then you paste what you already copied on ChatGPT. And then about settings, here we have presets, so you select Leonardo Phonics or other things. For example, let's select this one. And then about preset style, also you choose cinematic, bokeh, cinematic close-up, creative, dynamic, fashion, film, food, HDR, long exposure, and we have macro here, a minimalist, monochrome, movie, neutral, no one, portrait, retro, stock, photo, embossed, vibrant, and other things. And then we have here image dimensions also, but before we have here generation mode, fast or quality, then we have here image dimension, we have small, medium, and large. And about number of images, we have 1 2 3 4, and the max is 8. You can select how much you want. Then we have here private mode, you can just switch on this one if you want it. And we have some advanced settings also, like photo real, negative prompt, transparency, talent, use fixed speed, and that's it. Then you click over generate. So you have got this credits, alright, but they will generate because it's always going to be free. As you can see here, I have got 137 here of these credits, and they will generate every 24 hours. You get around 150 of this each 24 hours, so you can just use them. So here is my thing and here is my graffiti, so let's choose one of them, but let's wait. But the issue here, we have here bad with words. Alright, don't try to write something on the screen with EA image generators, right? Just don't bad like this. I can see that as a t-shirt design. So you have just to change the existing prompt and you click on generate one more, and then you are going to get a result something like you want. So all of this can be t-shirt designs. Why am I telling you that? All this, well, the reason is simple. I found numerous shops on Etsy. They have over than 25,000 sales, as you can see, and all they do is to sell these designs for t-shirts, for mugs, for air fresheners, for bookmarks, and you can see the price. So if the average is $1, let's say, and they made over than 25,000 sales, you can do the math. That's over than $25,000 for doing this. So what these people do, they just take these designs and they just put them out there, and they just get their pictures and they roll over those to the t-shirt, to mug, to cap, whatever they want, and they make a profit on it. So they just want to save themselves some time, and that's where we come in. We make this with ChatGPT or Leonardo or Runway now. So right now, why Runway? So Runway can make you 100 off this bat. The downside of it is that you got to pay for it. As you can see, if I click on get started and create an account and get started with it, it's a paid tool, but it will save you time. Maybe you can just use this one whenever you get some cash for investing. And if you click here on get credit, you can see that 100 is going to cost you $10. One of the most effective ways to earn money using ChatGPT is by mastering the art of prompt engineering and offering your services to businesses and individuals. You can create tailored prompts that help automate tasks like content creation, customer support, and marketing copy generation. Additionally, you can compile pre-made prompt libraries for specific niches, also such as social media content or email automation, and sell them online for passive income. Another lucrative option is to use ChatGPT to generate AI-powered content such as blog posts, product descriptions, or ad copy, and offer these services on freelancing platforms or on your own website. By harnessing the power of prompts, you can turn your skills into a profitable business. So to make using ChatGPT draw prompts, start by understanding types of prompts that work best for different tasks such as content creation, customer support, or automation. Practice designing clear, specific prompts that guide ChatGPT to produce high-quality results. Once you master this, you can offer your services to businesses, sell prompt packages, or use the prompt yourself to generate content more efficiently. Testing and refining your prompts is key to ensuring consistent, reliable output. Always adapts to the needs of the client or project for maximum effectiveness. So this is how it works with prompting in ChatGPT, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.